My name is Michael, and today I'm going to be talking about sandpaper. The different grades of sandpaper that are used to restore headlights. The fact that you're watching this video means that you will be able to learn and become more informed from watching this video. I've been restoring headlights for almost 10 years, and personally I've found the wet sanding method using sandpaper to be most effective. Now, there are certain risks associated with the use of sandpaper, and I must warn you about them. However, once you practice, you will master its use and will be able to use them effortlessly, and your fears will simply disappear with time. Now, shortly I will be showing you 3 different types of sandpaper. The type of sandpaper that I'm going to be showing you usually come in sheets such as this one and is used by hand. However, there's another type that is designed for machines, but we won't be talking about that type today. Though this sheet that you are looking at is way too large, and because of that I fold it in this manner that I get 4 quarters from each sheet. So I get the large sheet, I fold it in half, then I fold it again into quarter, and from that I'll be able to get a sheet such as this. Each sheet can be used to restore a pair of headlights. So you fold it like this. One side is used to do one headlight, then you flip it over. The other side is used to do another headlight. Just in case you're wondering, the number on the sandpaper determines its coarseness, which means that the lower the number, the coarser the sandpaper will be. And the higher the number, the less coarse it will be. So having said that, you definitely will be able to tell that the 800 grit that I have here is the coarsest, followed by the 1500, and the least coarse would be the 2500 grit. So this is what the 800 looks like. This is the 1500, and this one is the 2500 grit. Now let's say that you have a headlight to restore. You might be wondering what grade sandpaper you should use. Now personally for me, in order to determine what grade sandpaper to use, I normally examine the surface of the headlight to see how damaged or how bad the condition is. For headlights that are damaged with peeling clear coats, I choose the coarser grit, which is the 800 grit, because not only will it completely remove the clear coats, it will remove it quickly and therefore expose a fresh, clean layer to work with. If the headlights are not in a terrible state, I usually start off with the 1000 grit or the 1500 grit, right? The 2500 grit is used during the last stage to remove all the scratch marks that were created by the other sandpapers. Now it is extremely important that you pay special attention to the final stage, as if it's not done properly, even after compounding and polishing the headlight, the scratch marks might be visible on the headlights. So remember that the key to getting perfect results is to be patient and take your time, and once you do that, you'll be able to get professional looking results from using sandpaper. So remember once again that you can start off with 800 grit sandpaper. I see purses go as low as 600. I've never gone that low. You could follow up at 800 with 1000. It depends on what you have. If you don't have a 1000, you can then move from 800 to 1005 grit. From 1500, you could then go to 2000 if you wish, and then after 2000 you could go to 2500. But these are the sandpapers that I typically work with, and as I say, once you follow the procedure, you will end up with professional looking results every single time that will last for a very long time. I want to thank you very much for watching this video, and if you benefited in any way, shape or form, please remember to like this video, share it with your friends so other persons can benefit, and please subscribe so I can grow this channel. Once again, thank you very much and all the best.